My name's Michael Wolf, and I run the day-to-day operations here at Emmor Works. I think the thing that surprises people about woodworking is there's a lot of detail, a lot of thought that goes into not only selecting your material, the types of grain you're going to look at, how is that going to hold up to the moisture in your home, a number of things. Is the finish going to give the client exactly what they're looking based on that grain material? So there's a lot of variables in woodworking that have to be thought of well before the table's even begun to be built. Currently, we offer a few different species of wood. We offer a traditional Douglas fir. It comes from the Pacific Northwest, out in Seattle, Oregon area, where it's milled, it's then kiln dried, brought all the way here to the East Coast. We then clean that material up to the point where we can make specific style boards that mimic that traditional farm style table that was once made 100 years ago. We're here committed to what we're doing. We're here committed because we understand what our clients are looking for. We listen to them and we enjoy what we do. Story is saying the same people that make these tables are also presenting them and bringing them to the clients. Right. And so to take a table that we've worked on and then take it into the home of that client and then set it up and watch that mom, dad, family, join around that table as each one of us have been a part of that. You see that and you're like, I'll help make that, No two grains are the same, no two boards are the same. I couldn't try and make 4 tables exactly alike here. There's no way it can be done. In size, dimension, height, absolutely. But in grain detail, finish, and appeal, no. The conference tables we've delivered to some of these clients, they've called back and said, we've built our company around this table, this conference table. And they're usually repeat customers that want to order a bigger conference table to go in their bigger conference room because their business has grown.